Welcome to Igbo Academy. I found the one that Chioma. My name is Chioma. Today, we are going to be learning how to tie wrapper and hair tie when you're pregnant. You know you can tie hair tie when you're pregnant, but the wrapper, tying it when you're pregnant is something different. It's not the same as how it used to be when you are not pregnant. So now, make sure you tie the front of your wrapper. Don't tie the back. When you're pregnant, it's not that easy because of the bump that is in your front. So you have to tie it to your side. You'll be comfortable and your baby too will be comfortable. You spread your leg a little, not too much, so you will not fall. The space between your breast and your tummy, that is where you're going to tie it. So look at it. This part. This one on top, this one under. Make sure there's enough space. You don't tie yourself too much. Look at here. Here, there's enough space. Then you tie this other one. Go to this side. You finish tying it. Then you start folding. Fold. Now it is like a skirt. It's like as if you're wearing a skirt. As you fold it, you arrange it very well so that it will be fine. As if I'm wearing a skirt now. After tying the first one, you tie the second one on top. Sorry, I was touching this other one, first one, that I tied. Then you arrange your thing very well. Arrange it very well. And it will look fine. Then the wrapper, tie the wrapper. Because you do it into two. You see? If you want to fold, you fold though. For me, I want to fold everything in front. I have to fold it like 2 or 3 times. 1, 2, 8. I'll come to one end and fold. 1, 2. Then I'll turn it around. You see these lines on it? You see, this is small. This place is still very big. The small place will come on top. On top. Why the big one will go under? And I'll turn again. See? I'll then use my hands to arrange it very well. Put everything that I need to put inside. I should put back. So now I'm ready to go out. I want to go to church. I want to go for meeting. I'm not ready. I cannot carry myself and start going on.